Learn how to read, write, and communicate in Hausa language like a native speaker wherever you are around the world. Through the program, teach yourself Hausa language, coming to you from Rumbun Ilimi with me, Abubakar Muhammad Sangarwa. Darasi na 31, Lesson 31, Mahadi, Conjuction. Mahaɗi kalma ce da ake amfani da ita wajen haɗe kalmomi, ibarori ko jimloli. Conjunction is a word used to link words, phrases, or sentences. Da and, ko o, kuma and, amma but, duk da cewa though, ko da yake however. Misalai a cikin jimloli. Examples in sentences. Gida da yaro, house and boy. Gida ko yaro, house or boy. Yaro mai wayo da yarinya mai wayo, clever boy and clever girl. Yaro mai wayo ko yarinya mai wayo, clever boy or clever girl. Idi ya tafi amma fa zai dawo. Idi has gone but he will come back. My good student, thank you for joining this class. If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe the channel, like and share it to make it more beneficial to many people around the world. Remember to visit https://rumbunilimi.com.ng or click the link below this video to download the exercises pages. Goodbye and see you in the next class.